She had seen that there was no love in his heart, and as punishment she transformed him into a hideous beast and placed a powerful spell on the castle and all who lived there. If he could learn to love another and earn their love in return, the spell, as the years passed, he fell into despair and lost all hope, for who could ever learn to love a beast?
She is.
Belle got more adventure than even she, in her wildest imagination, could have dreamed. Through a series of strange circumstances, she found herself held captive inside a dark and foreboding castle, inhabited by a very odd collection of characters.
Now guess for dinner.
We'll keep it simple.
What are you talking about? What's going on? Come on, Mom. Come along, Chip, dear.
Oh dear.
No need to worry.
We'll keep it simple.
Esteemed Mesdames and Messieurs, it is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you.
Be our guest, be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, Sherry, and we provide the rest. You're alone and you're scared, the bear's unprepared. No one's moving or complaining while the flatware's entertaining. We tell jokes, we do tricks with our band of candlesticks, and it's all in perfect taste that you can beg. Come on and get your glass, you wonder on free pass to be our guest. Because it's my darling, we suggest. Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest.
See me as anything but a monster.
Oh, no.
I thought I told you never to come here.
Oh, but I just wanted to find out what was up.
It's none of your business.
Please stop.
You shouldn't have come to the West Wing.
And you should learn to control your temper.
I can't help it. Say something nice to her.
Try to act like a gentleman.
I apologize.
Oh, careful.
She glanced this way, I thought I saw. And when we touched, she didn't shut right in my paw. No, we can't be.
What's there, Mama? I'll tell you when you're older.
Kill the beast, or he will kill your children. Come on, men! Let's go get him! Let's kill him! The beast will make off your children. He'll come after them in the night. No one is safe until his head is mounted on my wall. I say we kill the beast. Bring back his head. Take whatever food you can find.
全然違う。
Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. On an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Oh, it's me? Sorry, thank you.
This is fine.
I can't be like this. No.
On a stormy night, 5 people step into
What? 何これ？あ、そういうタイプ？
これでさ、こうなるってどういうこと？なんていいのそれ。
No, 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 no.
4,
3, 2, 1.
A warm welcome back to those of you who made it. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time they check you at a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood.
Ladies and gentlemen, please get
Thank you, hosting.
Oh, thank you. 分かってるなって思う。確かに
日本も分かんないよね。
分かんない、いつ来るか。
ああ、面白かった。迷わずここに。
ああ、いいね、いいね、いいね。
これが欲しいの。2ドロップ。まあ色的には色使いもいいよね。
ね、あ、アリスだ。XS ちょうどいいじゃん。Thank you. おお。おお、クルーズライン、エプコット。
In just a few moments, One Man Stream, a motion picture tribute to Walt Disney, will be playing in the theater at the end of the museum. If you're interested in seeing the film, please make your way to the end of the corridor and hang right at the Disney Wish exhibit. For all of my friends here in the lobby, please make sure you're remaining behind those yellow lines until the doors have fully opened towards you. Once they do, please make sure we're moving all the way across, filling in the seats as we need to. We don't have a super full crowd, so feel free to sit in the middle if you would like to. Our back two rows are going to be reserved for our friends traveling in wheelchairs and ECVs, and we hope you enjoy the show. Thank you.
4, 3, 2, 1.
I did that so fast.
Walt Disney once said, "I hope that we never lose sight of one thing, that it was all started by a mouse." But we know it was really all started by a man with a dream, and a mouse.
We hope you all enjoyed that presentation of One Man Stream. Thank you. At this time, we ask for everyone to just please gather up all your personal items, and we're going to be exiting the theater to our left. We hope you all have a magical rest of your day here at Disney's Hollywood